Hey there! Berlin. It's not just a city, it's a story of time. This vibrant city is rich in culture and steeped in history. It stands tall and proud amidst the contemporary world, a living testament to time itself. Its streets echo the tales of the past, whispering events that have shaped the world as we know it. Before we begin, it's important to emphasize that this is not a ranking. We are aware that every traveler has different tastes and interests. The iconic Brandenburg Gate, a quintessential sign of the city's tumultuous yet captivating history, stands majestically as a testimony to Berlin's resilience in the face of constant change. Once a symbol of division during the Cold War, this monumental structure has impressively transformed into a symbol of unity, embodying a new era of hope and togetherness. Let your journey take you to Checkpoint Charlie, another emblematic landmark. This beacon of hope during the critical years of the Cold War now stands as a tribute to the indomitable human spirit yearning for freedom. It serves as a stark reminder of the resilience and courage that have become part of Berlin's identity, imbuing the city with an aura of defiance and grit. Just a stone's throw away, the Checkpoint Charlie Museum showcases gripping tales of daring escape attempts. Each exhibit spins a unique story of bravery and determination, painting a vivid picture of a city that refused to bow down. A city that stood firm, holding its ground in the face of adversity. Next stop, the Pergamonmuseum. This magnificent establishment, nestled in the cultural heart of Berlin, invites you on a voyage, an exploration of yesteryears, and the formation of world cultures. As you walk through its halls, you can feel the pulsating energy of history. The museum is not just a building, it's a time capsule, teeming with stories of ancient civilizations, tales of conquest, and narratives of human evolution. As you traverse through the museum, you will come across the Holocaust Memorial. It's more than a monument, it's a somber tribute to the 6 million Jewish lives lost during the Holocaust. The stark grey blocks stand as a poignant reminder of the past, a silent plea for peace and humanity amid the bustling cityscape. And now, let's discover the Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a unique ensemble of 5 world-renowned museums. Here, every corner is steeped in history, every exhibit a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. From ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces, the museums unravel the fascinating tapestry of human history. It's a treasure trove of art and history, where millennia of human creativity and ingenuity are on display. Venture into the heart of Berlin's counterculture, the Kreuzberg district. Once upon a time, it was an area marked by opposition and dissidence, but has since transformed into a thriving hub of creativity and multiculturalism. Kreuzberg boasts a rich and colorful tapestry of street art, each mural and graffiti telling its own unique story. The walls here are not just concrete structures, they are the canvas of soul, narrating tales of past struggles, present triumphs and dreams of the future. The district is also home to a pulsating music scene, spanning genres from techno to indie rock. Its food scene, characterized by a fusion flavors from all over the world, is another testament to its multicultural ambiance. The district represents an amalgamation of cultures, art and music. Tiergarten, Berlin's green lung, provides a peaceful respite from the city's vibrant and pulsating energy. Its verdant expanse, stretching over 3.5 kilometers, invites locals and tourists alike into its peaceful embrace. Walking around the park, it is easy to forget that you're in the heart of a bustling metropolis. The park's serenity engulfs you, and the noise of the city fades into the background. A network of pathways winds through the park, flanked by towering trees, offering a delightful stroll under a canopy of green. The park is also rich in history. It houses a host of monuments, each narrating a different story from Berlin's past. Potsdamer Platz, a historic and geographical landmark, once served as a symbol of division, representing a city and a world divided. This iconic square, lying in the very heart of Berlin, has since transformed, metamorphosing into an illuminating beacon of Berlin's rebirth. Today, it's a bustling epicenter of activity. a vibrant hub of life where the city's pulse is felt the strongest. The Platz bustles with locals and tourists alike, each drawn to its unique blend of the old and the new. Now, Potsdamer Platz stands as a testament to a city reborn, a city that has healed and grown from its past. It's a place where history meets modernity. The Reichstag, a symbol of German democracy, stands tall in the heart of Berlin. This monumental building, rich with history and architectural grandeur, houses the German parliament. A magnet for history buffs, the Reichstag offers a glimpse into the nation's tumultuous political journey. For architecture enthusiasts, its blend of classic and modern design elements is a feast for the eyes. The true gem of the Reichstag, however, is its glass dome. Offering panoramic views of the city, it's an architectural marvel that symbolizes transparency in politics. As you take in the breathtaking vista of Berlin's cityscape, you're reminded of the city's resilience and spirit. The Reichstag, much like the city it resides in, has withstood the test of time, standing as a beacon of democracy and unity. Alexanderplatz, the heartbeat of Berlin, is a bustling square where the city's vibrant culture comes alive. As one of the most iconic landmarks in Germany's capital city, it holds a unique appeal that draws in the most diverse crowds. Standing amidst the hustle and bustle, you feel the pulse of life in the city. A culmination of styles, from the old-world charm of traditional architecture to the sleek modernity of its skyscrapers, has shaped its distinct personality. Around every corner, you'll be pleasantly surprised by a mix of trendy stores, cozy cafes, and gourmet restaurants. Among them, traditional eateries serve hearty, authentic fare that's sure to satisfy any food lover. And for those with a penchant for shopping, the modern boutiques offer a variety of styles ranging from chic to avant-garde. After the sun sets, the square comes alive with vibrant nightlife, offering a taste of Berlin's eclectic music scene and exciting parties. Even amidst the constant change, Alexanderplatz retains its heart, its soul, the essence of Berlin. We have come to the end of this virtual tour in Berlin. To support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. We thank you for joining us on this tour and wish for all your travel dreams to come true.